Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can mark chat as read or unread on Facebook Messenger. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Facebook and first of all, I'm going to open up my Messenger. So I'm going to click on this Messenger icon to open the Messenger, and these are my chats on my Messenger. Then I'm going to show you how we can mark a chat as read or unread on this Messenger. You can select the chat you want to mark, and for example, I'm going to mark this chat as unread. I'm just going to click on these three dots, and then we can click on mark as unread like this. And this is the chat I haven't read, and I'm going to mark it as read. So we can click on the three dots and simply click on mark as read. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to mark chat as read or unread on Facebook Messenger. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.